guys, it's Capricia. Welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. Today we're making homemade chili, and if you guys are interested in finding out how I turned out a yummy comfort meal, just stay tuned.
Okay, so the first thing my mom did was add in some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or butter if that's what you prefer. And she's just going to saute up some onions, and she's adding in some green jalapeños. You can use whatever kind of veggies you would like as well. Now she added in some minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic, and if you don't have either of those, you can go ahead and add in some garlic powder. It works just as fine. Now she's just adding in some green bell pepper that she cut up along with some celery. And she's going to saute that up. In between each veggie, she's just cooking it for about 2 to 3 minutes just so that it can kind of soften a little bit but still have that crunch. Now she added in some sausage meat and ground hamburger, and she's just going to let that cook and marinate with the veggies. And she's adding in some white pepper, paprika, oregano, and cumin sauce. You can dupe those for your favorite seasonings. A tip would be not to add so much season in the beginning because you can always add it toward the end. Now she's just going to add in some salt and regular black pepper. Make sure you're not overdoing it with the salt. Now she's adding in a spoonful of tomato paste. You can alternatively use ketchup, or if you're not a tomato person, you can do a Alfredo based chili, which would be very delicious in my opinion. Now she's just throwing in some canned tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes if you'd like. And you're just going to stir that up and cook it. This meal takes about less than 20 minutes to make. Now she's adding some Worcestershire sauce or woo-woo sauce to it. You can dupe it for soy sauce. And she added in some chili beans. You can use whatever kind of beans you want. Baking beans would probably be really good in there. I think it would taste nice for like a different kind of twist to the chili. And she didn't record it, but she did add a little bit of sugar just to taste. And now she's just tasting it to make sure it's perfect. And there you have it, guys. A beautiful, delicious, hearty meal that takes less than 20 minutes to prepare and could last a week depending on your household. It looks so good. It tasted just as good. We decided to make our meal with a side of brown rice. And she's adding the chili. And she's going to garnish it with your favorite cheese and some sour cream. I would suggest use pepper jack cheese because it's my favorite. And she's throwing some green onions on top, and then it's done.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed my version of homemade chili. If you guys are interested in seeing more of my cooking, please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comment, leave them down below. Thank you guys. Bye-bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. I'm Capricia. I just wanted to thank you guys. I was doing so good.
Why did you say I just wanted to? I stick to the script, Capricia. Stick to the script. Okay.
Okay, say what am I supposed to say again? Just say it again.
Just say, hello everybody, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard, and today I'm going to be making X, Y, and Z, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let's get started.
Okay.
3, 2, hold up. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, it's Capricia and welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. Today I want to share with you guys one of my favorite comfort foods, homemade chili. If you guys are interested in how I made it, stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Capricia. Welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. Today I want to share with you my version of homemade chili. You said, act like you're talking to you. Then your face, you turn around.
So you won't get nervous. Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. My name is Capricia, and today I want to share with you my version of one of the world's.
Why are you being so extra?
No. Okay.
Stop adding words, Mom. Stick to the script.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2. Come back closer, Mom. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys, it's Capricia, and welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. Today I want to share with you my version of home.
I don't get you, Mommy. Go ahead. Get back in the camera.
So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and no, not that one.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I hope you guys enjoyed the chili recipe, my version of the chili recipe. If you guys did like it, thumbs the video up. And if you want to see more of what I have cooking in the cupboard. What in the world? Be quiet in there.
I farted. Okay, 3.
Wait, now.
You're on a roll.
I was.
Oh, okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. And if you guys did, thumbs up the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys can keep up with what cooking is. Tell her!
I'm sorry. You're stuttering so bad. Okay, ready?
I wasn't.
You were. 3, 2, 1.